Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts and professional handymen. Today, we're diving into the world of organization and efficiency with our top picks for the 15 coolest tool bags on the market. Whether you're an electrician, a construction pro, or just someone who loves tackling home projects, you won't want to miss out on these tool bag wonders. So, let's get started. Number 1. Introducing the CLC Custom Leathercraft 1539 Multi-Compartment 50-Pocket Tool Bag, a versatile solution for tool organization priced at $89.95. Its spacious main compartment accommodates various hand and power tools, while large outer compartments with 18 pockets each ensure easy access and organization. Heavy-duty double-pull zippers secure the main compartments, and exterior pockets, carabiner, and measuring tape clip provide added convenience. Enjoy comfort with a padded shoulder strap and carrying handles. Crafted from heavy-duty poly fabric with polyballistic trim, this bag withstands tough conditions. Measuring 18 by 7 by 14 inches, it strikes a balance between roominess and portability. Number 2. Presenting the $65.88 32 Pockets Wax Canvas Tool Bag, a robust solution for heavy-duty tasks. Crafted from durable wax canvas with gunmetal zippers and a rubber feet base, this shoulder tool bag guarantees lasting performance. Ample storage, featuring 32 pockets, including 16 outer, 12 inner, and 2 zipper pockets, along with 24 mall loop, this electrician's tool bag ensures you carry all your essentials. Quick access, the brown interior enhances visibility, while the spacious open-top design facilitates swift tool retrieval. Efficient organization, with 2 built-in zipper pockets, this portable tool bag streamlines organization for professional efficiency. Comfortable portability, designed for fatigue-free transport, the well-padded tool carrier ensures comfort during extended use. Number 3. Introducing the WordPress 16-inch wide mouth tool bag with waterproof base, priced at $19.19. This durable tool bag combines polyester, metal, and rubber for resilience. With dimensions of 15.75-inch length x 8.66-inch width x 10.24-inch height, it offers ample space. The waterproof base ensures protection from the elements. Elevate your tool organization with this functional and cost-effective choice. Number 4. Introducing the Klein Tool Stand-Up Zipper Bag Tool Pouch with Carabiners, priced at $14.99. This set includes a 14-inch dark gray tool bag and a 7-inch royal blue pouch, both featuring a reinforced bottom for durability. Enjoy effortless tool and small parts access with these stand-up zipper bags, enhancing your workflow. Organize tools by specific tasks using the 2 distinct pouches. Each bag comes with a convenient carabiner for easy attachment to tool bags or belts, ensuring efficient transportation. Elevate your tool management with this versatile and functional set from Klein Tools. Number 5. Introducing the $17 Bucket Boss Tool Roll, crafted from heavy-duty duckware canvas. With 25 pockets and 17 loops, it offers versatile tool storage that absorbs excess oil. Roll and secure it using the dual buckle system, then carry it effortlessly with the web handle. This compact roll unfolds to 26-inch length x 14.5-inch height, providing ample space. Enhance your organization with this durable, oil-absorbent tool roll. Number 6. Introducing the Klein Tools 55419 SP14 Tool Bag, priced at $58.19. This shoulder bag features 14 pockets, including specialized ones for long screwdrivers. The fully molded base provides stability and protection, while the orange interior enhances tool visibility. Crafted from durable 1680D ballistic weave, it ensures longevity. The included padded shoulder strap and handle make for easy carrying. Elevate your tool organization with this reliable and versatile tool bag. Number 7. Introducing the ToughBuilt Rolling Massive Mouth Tool Bag, priced at $149.99. This game-changing tool bag redefines tool transportation for professionals. Superior accessibility. With a patent-pending design, the opening of the ToughBuilt Rolling Massive Mouth Bag is wider than anything on the market, ensuring unmatched accessibility to your tools and supplies. Ultimate tool organization. The bag seamlessly integrates with ToughBuilt's clip-on pouches, providing an exceptional level of tool organization. Protective construction. Boasting a unique hard-body construction, this bag not only safeguards its contents but also maintains its shape over time. Secure tool storage. The bag features versatile pockets, including structured external pockets that adapt to securely hold tools in place. Durable build. Crafted from high-quality, rugged materials and reinforced with heavy-duty rivets, this bag is tailored to withstand the rigorous demands of professionals. Elevate your tool transportation and organization with the ToughBuilt Rolling Massive Mouth Tool Bag. Its innovative design, protective build, and adaptable pockets make it an indispensable asset for professionals on the go. Number 8. Introducing the $41.49 Welcomeland 13-inch Small Tool Bag, a compact and heavy-duty solution for electricians. With 32 pockets, it efficiently accommodates and organizes tools. The pop-up gate mouth opening and orange lining ensure quick tool access. Crafted from ballistic 1680D fabric with nylon zippers, it provides robust protection. The stand-alone, double-layered handle offers comfortable carrying. The anti-slip leathered base and 4 feet provide secure transportation. With 24 mall loop, it's a durable and organized tool bag designed to elevate your efficiency. Number 9. Introducing the Maruti 12-inch Tool Tote Bag, priced at $30.99. This versatile tool tote bag offers an array of features to enhance your tool carrying experience. Robust build, reinforced metal openings, and puncture-resistant material ensure lasting durability. Resilient design, scratch-resistant and wear-resistant, this bag maintains its quality over time. Enhanced visibility, the bright yellow interior improves visibility, making it easier to locate tools. Spacious capacity, with a large capacity, it accommodates a variety of tools. Sturdy base, the thickened base adds stability to the bag, safeguarding your tools. Flexible carrying, easily replace handles and shoulder straps for customizable carrying options. Versatile usage, designed for various scenarios, this tool tote bag adapts to your needs. Material, constructed from 1680D polyester, plastic, and rubber, this bag promises reliability. Number 10. Introducing the Airig 16-inch Tool Bag with Night Reflector Strip, priced at $24.99. This waterproof tool storage bag features adjustable shoulder straps and a heavy-duty ABS molded base for reliable organization. Durable construction, crafted from 1680D waterproof Oxford cloth, its special 5-layer fabric structure enhances wear and water resistance. Quality zipper, equipped with a high-quality metal two-way zipper for convenient use and extended service life. Adjustable comfort, the adjustable shoulder straps can be tailored to your ideal length, ensuring comfortable carrying based on your height. Stainless steel strength, triangular stainless steel lifting rings strengthen the shoulder strap connections, enabling the bag to endure heavy loads without damage. Reinforced stability, cross-shaped reinforced sutures address common tool bag weaknesses, enhancing overall durability. Comfortable handling, a rubber-wrapped handle with soft padding offers comfort even when carrying heavy loads. Elevate your tool transportation with the Airig 16-inch Tool Bag. Its robust construction, thoughtful features, and focus on user comfort make it an indispensable tool organizer for various tasks. Number 11. Introducing the $72.89 42 Pockets Tool Bag for Men, a heavy-duty solution for impeccable tool organization. Its waterproof hard-molded bottom safeguards tools from water, mud, and snow. The steel-framed body with a central steel frame maintains the bag's shape. With 42 pockets, 32, maul loop, and more, it ensures thorough organization. The gunmetal handle and open mouth allow quick access without bending. Crafted from ballistic 1680D fabric, it's a durable choice shaped by a steel frame and reinforced stitching. Elevate your tool carrying experience with this lasting and organized tool bag. Number 12. Introducing the $33.99 No-Chew Waterproof Tool Bags, a 16-inch wide-mouth tote with 25 pockets for ultimate tool organization. With 9 exterior pockets, 16 side compartments, and a spacious interior, it accommodates tools of all sizes. Adjustable shoulder straps ensure comfortable carrying. Keep your tools safe and organized with this versatile tool tote. Number 13. Introducing the $44.79 30 Pockets Canvas Tool Bag, a 14-inch rugged waxed canvas companion for impeccable tool organization. Crafted from 20 ounces heavy-duty, waterproof waxed canvas with a reinforced leather handle, it promises lasting durability. Boasting 30 pockets and 24 maul loop, this tool bag accommodates tools efficiently. Its self-standing design and large top opening ensure easy access, catering to various professions like electricians, plumbers, and carpenters. The solid stand-up handle adds portability, while its stylish appearance makes it a great gift for DIY enthusiasts. Elevate your tool-carrying experience with this practical and reliable canvas tool bag. Number 14. Introducing the ToughBuilt 20-inch massive mouth with waterproof base, priced at $91.99. This X-large massive mouth bag revolutionizes tool and supply transportation for professionals. Superior accessibility, featuring a patent-pending opening, this bag boasts the widest chamber on the market, ensuring unparalleled accessibility. It also seamlessly integrates with ToughBuilt's patented Clip-Tech pouches for comprehensive tool organization. Hard body construction, the class-leading hard body construction maintains its shape while remaining lightweight and portable. It safeguards tools and supplies effectively. Enhanced pocket design, versatile pockets, including structured external ones, flex to securely hold tools in place. Weather-resistant, crafted from high-quality, weather-resistant materials with heavy-duty rivet reinforcement, this bag endures demanding environments. Elevate your tool transportation with the ToughBuilt 20-inch massive mouth with waterproof base. Its innovative design, superior accessibility, and durability make it an essential tool organizer for professionals, even in extreme conditions. Number 15. Introducing the $32.99 Cowsain 16-inch Tool Bag, a specialized open-top solution for electricians. With 26 pockets, it accommodates a variety of tools. The steel handle and removable shoulder strap offer durability and flexibility. Elevate your tool-carrying convenience with this versatile and organized tool bag.